So guys, na-receive natin ang bagong OPPO Reno 8. Teka, parang na-review na natin to 2 months ago, if I'm not mistaken. Ano bago dito? Alam ko na. Ang kanang color. This is the OPPO Reno 8 na Sunkissed Beige color. And ang kanang storage is even bigger this time around at 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage. And papakita ko sa inyo right now ang kanyang itsura. Unbox muna natin. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel, OPPO Reno 8 na Sunkissed Beige color. The box is pretty much the same, nothing really special about it. And bukas natin, well, it's always the same. Merong maliit na pouch na OPPO. So buksan lang natin. Inside we have your jelly case, safety guide and quick start guide, SIM ejector pin. And ito na ang OPPO Reno 8 na Sunkissed Beige color. Well, ang dito na lahat ng mga specs na kailangan mo malaman. And it has dual Sony flagship sensors and of course ultra night video, 80 watts na superbook charging, and of course MediaTek Dimensity 1300. And this one is 5G supported. Definitely future-proof na. Yan, ang Sunkissed Beige color. Ang ganda ng color, no? Probably very unique sa kanya. And pag nilapitan mo to, nailawan mo, makita mo, there's a lot of tiny little glitters inside this one. And it looks very elegant, lalo na kung nasa labas kayo and natama ng ilaw ng araw or natama ng halogen light. This one definitely looks very nice and very, very premium. Other things inside the box, 80 watts na superbook charger and ang kanyang charging cable. So right now, quick phone tour lang tayo. Sa ilalim, meron siyang loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone, and of course, ang kanyang SIM tray. So quickly, sundutin lang natin ang SIM tray. Let's just see kung meron siyang microSD expansion. Apparently, wala. Dalawang 5G SIM. So guys, kung hindi pa kayo napag-register ng mga SIM card, do check out ang ating video list para makita nyo ang method on how to register ang yung mga SIM cards para sa SIM card registration. Pili na ganyang power button na may green emblem. Sa ibabaw, meron siya noise cancelling mic. The upper left corner, nandiyan ang kanyang 32MP na Sony IM709 na front-facing camera na pinagmamalaki ni OPPO. And of course, sa likod, it's being highlighted by the Sony IMX766 na 50MP na triple camera ni OPPO. And this is how it looks like, itong phone na ito. So itong phone na ito is running ColorOS 12.1 based on Android 12. And ang kanyang battery is 4,500 mAh, which can support up to 80 watts of superbook charge. Ang kanyang processor, like I said, is a MediaTek Dimensity 1300. 6.4 AMOLED display, may 90Hz of screen refresh rate, and maximum brightness niya is at 600 nits. Ang kanyang main camera sensor, 50MP na Sony IMX766 with a wide-angle camera na 8MP and macro lens na 2MP. Front camera, 32MP na Sony IMX709. Now guys, if you want to know more about the performance of this phone, ang kanyang camera performance, ang kanyang gaming performance, I'll be linking up there para makita nyo ang aking full review ni OPPO Reno 8 5G. And itong 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gig of storage na Sunkissed Beige color will be available sa lahat ng OPPO stores this coming January 6. And for the first sale promo para sa mga in-store buyers, meron siya 1,000 na IoT bundle discount voucher for any OPPO IoT product above 3,000 pesos from January 6 to January 31, 2023. And this phone will also be available sa Shopee, sa Lazada, and sa TikTok stores ng OPPO. And I'll be linking on the description box below. Just check it out. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na yung bell icon para di nyo miss mga future uploads ko dito sa aking channel. So ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?